I am measuring here 4 ml aniline. Aniline सही है ना वासिफ? So see here I have taken 4 ml. I am going to close this bottle. So this 4 ml aniline I am going to transfer into this measuring cylinder. Sorry, beaker. So 4 ml aniline we have to dissolve with 1 ml hydrochloric acid. So I am taking here 1 ml hydrochloric acid which I have to dissolve in the aniline. So that aniline and hydrochloric acid mixture has to get completely dissolved. So we will get the clear solution of this. Already I mentioned this method is classical method. It's not green chemistry method. Okay. First we will dissolve this one until we will get the clear solution. Okay. ऐसे इसको dissolve करो until we will get the clear solution of that aniline and hydrochloric acid. According to procedure we are going. Then to this, when we will get the mixture of aniline and hydrochloric acid, so it has to get mixed uniform mixture. See, we are getting the uniform mixture of this aniline and hydrochloric acid solution. To that we are going to add the acetic anhydride 2 ml. 2 ml. Sodium acetate is there, no? So I think you are remembering what we have added. We got the clear solution. See, we don't have any kind of oil globule in our mixture. So we got the clear solution. To that clear solution वासिफ अभी डालेंगे acetic anhydride. So your experimental part is carrying out by Wasif. So use that acetic anhydride 2 ml. 2 ml. So let it get solubilized completely. So we got the clear solution. See, we are getting the fumes of acetic anhydride. To this what we have to add? Now we have to add the sodium acetate as well as solution of sodium acetate, and we will close this one because the fume of acetic anhydride is very carcinogenic. We have discussed related to the modification of methodology, that is green chemistry method, what we are avoiding, that also we have discussed. In this methodology, in classical method we are using acetic anhydride, then we have taken aniline. To this acetic anhydride and aniline solution we have added the hydrochloric acid to get the nucleophilicity of this acetic anhydride. So one molecule of acetic acid will get removed and hydrochloric acid will get add up to this one. So still we didn't added the sodium acetate. Now we are going to make a mixture of sodium acetate, that is 100 ml 50 ml water. So here this is the one mixture. In another one beaker what we'll do, we'll make a mixture of sodium acetate and water. So that mixture we are going to dissolve to this solution what we have prepared. Aniline plus hydrochloric acid and acetic anhydride we have added. This is one beaker. In another beaker we will make the solution of sodium acetate. Yes, this is the sodium acetate. How much we have to take? 3 gram. It's 3 gram, no Asif? Okay. That 3 gram you dissolve in 50 ml of water, distilled water. So ये ले लो. Water. So the fumes are carcinogenic. We have to close actually. We don't.
Let do.
So still fumes are coming from this phenol. See. So those fumes are carcinogenic here. So So what we are doing, we are comparing classical methodology with the green methodology. ठीक है, in classical methodology, so we are avoiding all these hazardous chemical from the green from the experimental part. So what we are replacing, we are replacing acetic anhydride, that is carcinogenic. We are replacing hydrochloric acid, concentrated one. ठीक है, so Vasif has closed this one. See, now fumes are gathering inside only, they are not coming out from the beaker, acetic anhydride fumes. Now see, we are getting the solution of sodium acetate plus water. You should appreciate Wasif, huh? You are sitting over there and he was doing your work. Pandeji standing over here and Wasif is carrying out experiment and I am doing my job. So we got the solution of sodium acetate. This sodium acetate solution we are going to dissolve into this. Okay, going to dissolve in this. See, we are getting the cloudy precipitate. So those cloudy precipitate we are going to heat. अभी इसको हम लोग करेंगे हीट, और थोड़ा सोडियम एसिटेट है तब दे दो आगे. See, we are getting the crystals. So this is your classical method. रहने दो वासिफ, प्रोडक्ट आ गया वासिफ, रहने दो. So these are the crystals. Yeah, this method is called as, कौन सा method? I think you remember this one. So see, here we got the crystals. These are the crystals of acetanilide. So this method by this method we have done with the classical method. Here we have not applied any kind of non-solvent related experimental part. That non-solvent means green chemistry method नहीं है, ये classical method है. So these are your crystal acetanilide crystal. So this is the classical method. Now we will compare this one with the green methodology. So we have done with our classical method. We will keep aside. Until that we will get our precipitate. We are going to keep this one here. ठीक है. So in the next video we are going to discuss about the classical method. ठीक है. Okay. After completion of this one we will do the calculation. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.